Hello everyone, I am Neetu Basi, mother of an atopic dermatitis patient Kashvi Luthra. The rash started at backside of her neck at 5 months of her age and worsened as the time went on. The child's quality of life was severely affected as she used to cry all night, and the reason was almost unknown to us. Initially for about 2 months I took allopathic treatment for the same, but all in vain. Her early symptoms usually affected her skin inside the elbows, on the back of the knees, backside, sides of the neck, and the wrists, etc. Finally, we came to know that she is suffering from atopic dermatitis. During our several visits to very well-known hospitals of Delhi, we came to know that there is no cure for atopic dermatitis in allopathy. In this line of treatment, the main goals of treatment are to ease itching, inflammation, add moisture, and prevent infection by staying away from triggers such as wool, soaps, chemicals, dust mites, keeping child fingernails short to help prevent scratching that can cause skin irritation and infection, and staying away from allergens if any. Finally, out of my strong belief in homeopathy, I decided to take treatment from Dr. A.K. Gupta of OV-HAMS. He not only showed the path of recovery, however, he also kind of assured me that progression of atopic dermatitis to asthma in later childhood may also be halted. Also, he created an awareness with this line of treatment. At initial stage, her skin could get more dry, scaly at times, and could also develop severe eruption in terms of small raised bumps that may become crusty and leak fluid if scratched. At an outset, Dr. Gupta recommended us to get several blood tests done along with an allergy panel test. The allergy panel test indicated an observation that Kashi was allergic to milk. Her survival remained on soya milk for about 3 years while she was under the course of medication. Out of this problem, my daughter and I had passed several sleepless nights for about 3 years owing to the gravity of the disease, which was extremely severe in nature, not only for the patient but for the caretakers as well. It is very hard to witness someone suffering from this disease in real life. I am just showing off the pictures of my daughter of all 3 stages. Stage 1, an early stage in which she had few rashes. Stage 2, while she was getting a treatment. Stage 3, when she fully got recovered and was even able to consume normal milk. She came out of her milk allergy as well. I have used homeopathy for myself and my family for the last 30 years for almost all the medical problems. I have recommended this treatment to many people and have witnessed good effects in them as well. Therefore, out of this belief, I would strongly recommend trying the practice of homeopathy for any of the ailment, especially if you are tired of swallowing chemicals for short-term relief. Also, I would like to utilize this platform to mention that Dr. Gupta is a magician, a great physician. Thank you so much for all your contribution in the field of homeopathy and treating Kashvi while my hope was all in despair. I am so fortunate to have found a God in you. I have heard that God descends in several avatars. For me, He has shown Himself in you. Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, and homeopathy. With deepest regard and respect, Neetu Basi. Thank you so much.